Remodeled from top to bottom is this stunning cottage-style home located on a 2.25-acre lot. Classic design with a sophisticated edge is found throughout the open floor plan. Welcoming front entry opens to a spacious kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances including double ovens, convection micro and gas cooktop with pot filler. A center island seats 4 and a custom built-in gives dimensional interest to the room. A combination dining room/living room has a festive electric fireplace and a wall of glass doors to a delightful, private bluestone patio. There are 2 bedrooms, the master having its own custom bath and wall of built-in closets. There is a second 3/4 bath with frameless shower glass door and a large laundry room with built-ins and ample storage. All plumbing, electrical, windows and HVAC are new, 1-car garage A+.